Dude, they're getting in. They're getting close, man.
Missile!
Turn,
Missile!
turn.
Oh
Wrong
god!
way.
Oh fuck!
Did it do anything? It's a missile coming in already, Logan.
Oh god! Oh god! Is it going for me or you though? Me!
It's going for you.
Oh god! Why? Retard Bobby. What the fuck? How? Huh.
It's like, if you get one air target.
What the hell is he doing?
Like 3 minutes.
Tiger.
Yeah, I'm at the objective.
Oh! I just shot through a bush and hit him.
Boom. Oh, Luca, this is your chance.
No! Oh wait, he's crashing
no.
a bit.
No.
Luca, no! Oh god! Damn! Damn! No!
Did we lose the match?
Yes. Well, not yet. It's not, you know.
Yeah, I thought you said you won, bro.
We're gonna win, alright? We're gonna win. I trust this man with my money. Alright? I trust him with my wife, my money, my house, my kids.
Yeah.
We're gonna win.
You wanna play some 3.7 after this?
We are gonna win.
Fuck!
I literally just got the notification.
It's just like, he landed it. The enemy is very much stronger.
Number 2, clam chowder condom.